Why prompts are the new code. Imagine typing a single sentence and watching a machine create a full website, write a best-selling novel chapter, generate a viral YouTube script, or design stunning artwork. That's the power of prompt engineering. Welcome to the world where words are commands, and AI responds like your smartest, most efficient assistant. In this video, you're about to unlock the real power behind AI tools, not just using them, but commanding them with expert-level precision. Stick around, because what you're going to learn today will put you miles ahead of average users. This is Prompt Engineering Elevated. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is prompt engineering and why it matters? What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting inputs, called prompts, to AI systems in a way that gets you the most accurate, relevant, and creative output. Why should you care? And it turns basic AI users into power users. Prompts are how we communicate with AI. Better prompts yield better results. Every job and industry using AI depends on good prompt writing. Whether you're a content creator, programmer, marketer, business owner, researcher, prompt mastery gives you a superpower. Section 2. Understanding how AI thinks. Inside the mind of an AI language models work based on patterns, probability, and context. They don't know things. They predict likely words based on your prompt. That means vague prompt equals vague response. Specific, well-structured prompt equals powerful, focused output. AI concepts you should know. Shay token, a word chunk. Prompts and responses are measured in tokens. A temperature controls creativity. High yield more random, low yield more focused. Context window, how much memory the AI can hold at once, e.g. 8K tokens, 32K, etc. Few-shot learning, teaching the AI by giving it examples within the prompt. Section 3. The 5 core prompting techniques pros used. Let's level up. These are the techniques that separate casual users from true prompt engineers. 1. Role assignment. Tell the AI who it is before asking for a task. Example: you are a senior copywriter with 10 years of experience in digital marketing. This adds clarity and tone control. 2. Step-by-step instructions. Break complex tasks into steps. Example: explain how solar panels work to a 12-year-old step by step. This reduces hallucinations and improves logic. 3. Give examples, few-shot prompting. Provide a few input-output samples so the AI knows your expected format. Example: input, tell me a joke. Output: why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Now continue. 4. Use constraints and format requirements. Be explicit about word limits, tone, or format. Example: write a tweet about AI in under 280 characters with a humorous tone. 5. Chain of thought, COT prompting. Ask the AI to explain its reasoning before giving the final answer. Example: what's 17 to 12? Think step by step, then give the answer. This activates more logical processing. Section 4. Live examples. Prompting in different fields. Let's walk through real use cases. These examples will show you the power of prompt engineering in the real world. 1. Content creation prompt. You are a viral YouTube scriptwriter. Create a 60-second intro for a video titled Best AI Tools for 2025. Make it energetic and engaging. Result: you get a hook that actually keeps viewers watching. 2. Coding prompt. You are a senior Python developer. Write a function to scrape all image URLs from a given website, with comments in the code. Result: instant usable code with clear documentation. 3. Business strategy prompt. You are a business analyst. Suggest 3 AI-powered growth strategies for a small e-commerce store selling handmade jewelry. Result: actionable advice tailored to a real niche. 4. Learning and research prompt. Explain quantum computing to a beginner in less than 200 words using analogies. Result: digestible knowledge, fast. 5. Marketing prompt. You are a Facebook ads expert. Write 3 ad copies to promote a new AI-powered copywriting tool. Each ad should be less than 25 words. Result: ads that convert, written instantly. Section 5. Prompt templates you can use today. Let's save you hours. Here are plug-and-play templates for common AI tasks. Writing template. You are an expert writer. Write a type of content on topic that is tone, in under word count. Idea generator template. List 10 creative ideas for goal, considering target audience and platform. SEO optimization template. Rewrite this paragraph for better SEO using the keyword. Keep it under number words. Resume, CV booster. Improve this bullet point for a software engineer. Resume. Use strong action verbs and highlight measurable results. Paste bullet point. Business plan draft. You are a startup advisor. Create a one-page pitch for an industry product that solves pain point. Include market size, solution, and revenue model. Section 6. Prompt engineering pitfalls to avoid. Even pros make mistakes. Here's what to watch out for. Too vague. Write something about business. Result: boring, generic. Too many questions in one. AI gets confused. No output constraints. May generate content that's too long or off-topic. Forgetting to define a role. AI defaults to general tone. No examples or formatting guide. Output varies too much. Section 7. Advanced prompt engineering techniques. Once you've mastered the basics, take it to the next level. 1. Prompt chaining. Use multiple prompts in sequence to refine the output. Prompt 1. Generate 5 blog titles. Prompt 2. Write a blog post based on the best title. 2. Memory simulation. Include previous answers in the next prompt to simulate memory. Based on your last answer about AI trends, create an action plan for a YouTube channel. 3. Nested prompts. Ask the AI to generate a prompt that you then use on another AI tool. Write a mid-journey prompt that describes a futuristic city in hyper-realistic detail. 4. Tool-aware prompting. Adapt your prompts to match each tool's specialty. So, ChatGPT, conversation and logic. Claude, summarization and comprehension. Mid-journey, visual detail and mood. Perplexity, factual research and sources. Section 8. Future of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is not going away. In fact, it's evolving fast. Natural language programming. You'll talk to AIs like teammates. AI agents. Tools like AutoGPT will use your prompts to think and act on their own. Multimodal prompting. Text plus image plus voice plus video in one command stream. Your ability to craft prompts is your leverage in the AI-powered future. Section 9. How to practice and improve. Want to get better fast? Here's how. Join communities. Reddit, RI Prompt Engineering, Discord prompt groups, Twitter threads. Follow prompt libraries. Prompt Hero, FlowGPT, AIPRM. Create a daily prompt challenge. Pick a goal. Write 3 different prompts to achieve it. Compare AI responses, modify temperature, roles, and constraints to study results. Final thoughts. Prompts are your new skill set. You don't need to be a programmer to leverage AI. You just need to know how to speak to it, clearly, strategically, and creatively. Prompt engineering isn't just typing, it's thinking in frameworks and translating intention into instruction. Master this and you'll be unstoppable in the AI age. Call to action. If you learned something valuable today, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, drop a comment below. What's your favorite prompt trick? And most importantly, subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools for weekly deep dives into the future of AI that you can actually use. We're just getting started.